Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use Snapchat Dream Selfies to create fun, animated stories that stand out. Let's get started. First, go to your Snapchat's camera screen and then tap the smiley face icon and look for the Dream Selfie lens under the Explore section. And here, pose for your selfie and let the Snapchat transform you into animated character or themed scene like fantasy or cartoon styles. You can add text, music, or stickers to narrate your dream selfie. Combine multiple dream selfies to create a mini animated storyline. Then save your dream story to memories or share it to your story and friends to impress them with your creative animations. And that's how you use a Snapchat Dream Selfies for animated stories. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.